Hello, everyone. Welcome to the June Software Development Pod Update. So, during the last 2 months, we have launched multiple new models, fixed many of the issues that were raised by the customers and internal team member. Now, we will be updating you one by one on what major achievement we have achieved in last 2 months. So, we will begin with the first module, that is analytics. It was the most demandable module, like everyone was looking for podcast analytics, and we have built something that no other competitors provide as a sum of everything into one software. So as you can see on my screen, if you have to access the analytics, the steps are really very simple. You simply have to go to the insight on the top and it will open your analytics. Here you will see a name field like PodUp Reach. So PodUp Reach means your overall total reach score. The reach score is comprised of your podcast reach, your social media like Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter reach, your video reach from your YouTube, your website reach from the site that you are linked with the PodUp, your email reach, the email that you are sending out to the people via MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, and all those other platform, then your blog reach. So this is your PodUp reach score area. Then if you want to break it down and see into a graphical manner, we have this particular chart. So the data was started from April. So we have 3 months of the data here. And you can see we have the data for the podcast, we have the data for the videos, for the socials, for the blog, for the email. Then again, you can segregate the data based on this year, last year, this month, this week. All those kind of data could be played with here, and you can just drag and drop. You can click of export, and it will give you a CSV file like this. Then you have area for the total. So these particular wizards basically show how many episodes have been published, podcasts have been published on your portal. So like 23 published in last 30 days and change as compared to the previous last 30 days. So it will also calculate the change of a previous period. Then it will talk about total listens, improvement in the listen or drop in the listens could be seen. When you will click on this small icon of detail, it will show you where your podcast was played. So like all the top players like podcast, Apple Podcasts, Chromecast, Overcast, Microsoft Edge, and all those kind of different data is here that you can see where your podcast is doing good. Then we have the data for social, for the blog, for the videos, emails, etc. Then you can see the data of the content. So like this is the content published on your website. We have also given multiple features like sort based on the date, sort based on the number of sessions, number of count. So you will come to know which particular podcast did great for your show. So when you will click here, you can also see the sub values like where it was clicked, what players it was, from where the traffic was coming, the trend of the reach, the location from where the traffic is coming. You can see this into a map format, or you can see this into a list format, list by country, from which country you are getting the maximum traffic. So all those kind of small insights are available here. Then in the bottom we have two more charts. One is for episodes. If you are publishing your content based on episodes, you can see all the data from here. Then reach by country, then it's again subdivided into podcast, videos, blog, and again into the tabular formulate, map formulate. You want to do some analysis, so you can do with this type of data. So this was a quick overview of what we have done into podcast analytics. So you all can go to Insight and try this particular module and let us know if you have any feedbacks or suggestion for us. The next important change that we have made was into the video recorder. So you simply have to click on create, click on video, record video and audio, give a name to your studio, click on go to studio. Now here you will see few changes, like we have changed the UI. So now all this coming into a particular layer by layer format. You can give your name here, click on join. Now see, you have big buttons on the left side. So the person will not get confused with a single button, which was earlier to start and stop recording. So you can start the recording from here. Then it will ask for a name. Let's say Govan. Click on start recording. It will give you a timer. So now you can get prepared like you are going to live in a couple of seconds. So this will show you a timer. Plus other options like emojis have been added. So we now have multiple emojis like this. Earlier they were limited, but now we have multiple emojis that have been recently added to the platform. We have also improved the section to invite someone. So now from here you can put an email name like this. Click on send. So the email will be sent to a particular person. That is also being included into the system. Then all these options like adding the cameras, all these options are also optimized for the recorder. Then moving toward the next major change that we have made was into the transcriber. So let me show you. This is our transcriber module. You can go to transcriber from the edit and then transcription. Whatever transcript you will select here. So simply you can upload a file. You can choose the file from your file manager, and just wait for a second. I will click here. It will generate the transcript has been created. Now let's say if I have to replace a particular word, so what I can do, let's see, we have multiple occurrence of this. So let's say if I have to remove the word this, so what I will do, I will click on find and replace this to, let's say, Govan example, replace all. So you can see the word this has been replaced by the Govan. So this is done. Then if there is a remove all silences in this sentence, in this particular transcript, there was no extra silence was there. So it is not visible. But let's say if there was an extra silence in any of the sentence, so it will automatically detect that and it will remove that. That we have launched recently. The module is AI Clipper. So with the help of this module, what you can do, if you have a long video, you can upload your video file here. It will automatically create clips of that video. So to use AI Clipper, simply click on the edit. It will open AI Clipper like this. Click here, create a new clip. You can give a name here, Govin's recording. You can either choose a video, select a podcast, or upload a custom video. Let me upload a custom video here. I will simply select an old video like this. So once the video has been uploaded, we can select the captions. So let's say I want to use this one. Then we can select in how much time frame we have to generate the clip from. If you want to generate a clip from 3 minutes to 5 minutes, you can do that. Otherwise, you can keep it full. Now, how many clips you want to generate? So let's say I want to generate 2 clips of 0 to 30 seconds. If I have to add a website logo, I can click here, generate my clip. We have to wait for a couple of minutes because it is generating the transcript and creating your clips in the backend. So just wait for a few minutes. If your uploaded video is long, so it might take some more minute, but generally it take around 5 to 8 minutes to generate a video clip from a 30 minutes video. So you can see a few clips have been generated. So here are the 2 clips that have been generated. So you can simply them. Then you can see these hashtags are coming from the AI. You can edit them, you can change them as per your need. Then if you like this particular clip, you can click on keep, or if you don't like, you can click on discard. You can open this into video editor and edit it, like adding your intro or add your logo or something. Then you can click on share, and wherever you want to share this particular clip. For example, I want to share this particular clip on, let's say, reel of, or let's say, Jan Shakti Abhiyan. Click on share, and this particular reel will be shared on my Facebook account. So I will just show you how it will look. So as you can see, this particular post has been published on my Facebook account. Going back to the clip area, so either you can keep it, as I mentioned, it will be saved, and you can even download it and use it wherever you want to use it. So that was a bit about the Clipper module. You can again go back from Edit, AI Clipper, and you can see list of all the clips that you have generated in the past. You can click on View Clips, and your clips would be visible. So now you can again share them, edit them, and whatever you want to do, you can do that. Now let me show you one more amazing feature that team has built. That's our social module. So this module will help you to publish the content on different social media challenge. So here how you can do that. Just go to the publish, click on social, click on create a new post. As you can see here, you can select the channel. Let's say I've select one Facebook channel. You can write a post, how to do podcasting, marketing, learning the webinar coming on June 20th. Now, let's say if you want to add some hashtag to this particular post, we have our add AI based hashtag tool. Click here. It will automatically bring hashtag for your post. Click on hashtag. You want to upload photo, click here. Select a photo. Your photo will be here, and this will show how it will look on Facebook. You have other options like you want to post on post, reel, stories. You can post now, you can schedule for later. Let me post it now. Click on post now, and you can see the post is here in the list format. It's also in the grid format, so your entire calendar could be available here, and you can see whatever post you have done in the past, and you can keep track of that and manage your social media calendar. Now quickly go to the Facebook, click on refresh, and you can see the post is visible here. So this is how our social media module work. You can do multiple things like posting on LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter. All those things are available there. You can use it. Now let me quickly take you to the inviter module where we have added the search functionality. So how it will work: click on invite guest, go to your view bookings. Now you can see earlier there was no search filter, but now you can search the people based on the time. So let's say I want to look in for February, search. So the people are now visible here. So based on that, we can do search for whatever date it was. People were you want to search for a particular date range. So that functionality has been added into the inviter module. One more change that I want to talk about is Site Builder. In Site Builder, we were having more than 650 components, and we have worked on fixing all the component with global CSS settings. So whenever you are making a change somewhere, it will be reflecting to all other places. So multiple banners, multiple styles, multiple things were added here. So you can start using them and explore the feature and let us know if any more changes are required in any of the component. So now it will be more user friendly for you. So if you are changing the color of your entire website, the entire component would be changing on the fly. Similar module that I would like to focus was newsletter. This module was used recently a lot by our team. So we have made a huge improvement here. All these templates that were earlier not responsive, not having the site builder capabilities are now working fine. So you can start using any of the template, or you can create your own template and you can change the font, you can add the images, you can put the links, you can put the hyperlinks. So all those kind of things could be easily done into these template. So newsletter template is now ready for your use. Start using it, send emails to your customer data list. On the front end side, we would like to show you the new product website that has been ready. Based on the marketing team feedback, we have changed the color, style, codes for this particular website. New sections have been added on the homepage of the product, and still more improvements are going on product homepage and other pages. Soon, we would be adding a new pricing page that would be allowing customers to have access to the account without adding their credit card. So that's all from the software development side in this pod update. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for your time.